And this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, also known as Craig the Water Guy at qualitywatertreatment.com. Thank you for visiting us. I want to go over our SoftPro water softener models with you along with our packages to give you a better understanding to help you make a better decision on which model and package would be best for you and your family. All of our SoftPro water softeners are upflow water softeners for city water. They are also high efficiency technologies built into the control valve with a lot of different features that help you save up to 75% in salt and 64% in water per regeneration. That's a huge savings to you and your family over your traditional softeners. To give you an idea, here is a comparison chart. 32,000 grain water softener. The SoftPro only uses 6 pounds of salt per regeneration, and compared to like Fleck and other brands use 15 pounds of salt per regeneration. And our SoftPro 32,000 only wastes 24 gallons of water per regeneration, where your other models such as Fleck and Clack out there, they use 71 gallons of water. They waste 71 gallons of water per regeneration. That's a big savings for you, especially being on city water if you're paying for your water. You could go over that mark where you're starting to pay for extra water usage. And so that's that 24 versus 71 gallons is going to save you quite a bit of money over the course of the year. So let's go ahead and go over our packages here with you. The SoftPro Pura is our 3/4 inch model. It carries a 7-year control valve warranty, a lifetime warranty on the mineral tank and the brine tank. All of our brine tanks come with a grid plate, also known as a salt platform, to help to keep the salt from hardening up, also known as bridging. It comes with a brine safety float inside a brine well to protect it. The safety float keeps the tank from overflowing if there's an ever issue with the system. Our Pura system comes with an 8% cross-link resin, which is typically used across the industry as far as the 8% resin goes. Again, it is a high-efficiency system, so if you're looking for a 3/4 inch model softener that is high efficiency with a good warranty, the SoftPro Pura is the model for you. The Elite Basic. The Elite Basic is our most popular model. It has salt and water saving features, the same as the Pura, but it also has some additional programming features built into this control valve that the Pura does not have. One of those features is that it has a 15-minute quick regeneration. So if the system senses you're going to run out of soft water before the end of the day on a heavy usage day, for instance, it'll go into a 15-minute quick regeneration to get you back into soft water for the rest of the day and then do a full regeneration that night. The Pura does not have that feature. It also carries a better warranty. It covers a lifetime warranty on the control valve, lifetime warranty on both of the tanks. It comes with an upgraded 10% resin. Now, most municipal supply companies use chlorine or chloramine to kill the bacteria in your water. The problem with that is that it's very detrimental to resin beds. So what happens is it tears it up and makes the resin less efficient over a period of time. 10% resin is more durable against chlorine and chloramine, so it's going to last longer and perform better than your 8% resins. It also comes with a black neoprene washable jacket. You can unzip the jacket, remove it from the tank, and wash it and put it back on. It protects the tank, also insulates the tank to a certain amount as well. So this system here is also a 1-inch ported valve. It's a high flow valve, so you get higher flow rates with less pressure drop in your home over the Pura system. So this is our most popular model. The next model is our Elite Plus. Our Elite Plus is the same system as the Elite Basic, same warranty, lifetime on the valve, lifetime on the tanks, 10% resin, comes with the neoprene black washable jacket. But at the bottom here, it has a MediaGuard KDF 55 filter, removes chlorine from the water. If you have chloramines in your water, it's not going to remove that. So you don't want to use it if you have chloramines in your water. You can find that out by looking at your water quality report. You could Google it or whatever search engine you use and just type in water quality report and type in your area. And most water companies will give you the water quality report in PDF. You click it on it, and it'll tell you whether they're using chlorine or chloramines. Now, if you use a chlorine, the KDF 55 will remove that chlorine before it hits the resin bed. It also removes heavy metals such as lead, copper, zinc, and is bacterial static. So it protects the resin bed, but it also protects you and your family and removes all of that before it gets to your home. Now, if you're in a high flow rate application, meaning let's say you have a shower stall that has multiple body sprayers in the wall, stuff like that, those kits usually take anywhere from 14 to 15 gallons per minute to operate all of them at the same time. This system here is not good for that because your maximum flow rate with this system, because of the KDF 55, is 14 gallons per minute. So it may not be able to operate all those shower heads at the same time, as well as other things in the home, without seeing a huge pressure loss. So my advice would be that if you do have that sort of application, you do not get the Elite Plus. You just go with the Elite Basic. Even if our sizing calculator up here tells you you need a 32,000 or a 24,000 or a 40,000, just go ahead and disregard that because you have the high flow application. You want to go with a 48,000 or higher. So if the calculator says you need a 48,000 or higher, then go ahead and go with that choice. If it's under 48, go with a minimum of 48,000 to get you the flow rates that you need. The next system up is our Elite Ultimate. Now, our Elite Ultimate is basically our gold standard. It's a bottled water machine for the whole house. You run it through an upflow carbon filter. It requires no backwash and no electricity. The water runs down through the tube, up through the gravel bed, up through the carbon, and then into the softener, into the house. Now, the carbon that we use is not your typical carbon. We use what we call catalytic carbon. It's not only lasts longer, twice as long as your standard carbons, averages 10 years, compared to standard carbons is 3 to 5 years. But it also removes chloramines from the water, not just chlorine. But it removes chloramines at higher flow rates. Your other carbons will remove chlorine and chloramines, but it only removes chloramines at low flow rates. So it's not protecting you like it should when you're using a lot of water in the house, like taking a shower, for instance. Where this system here will remove the chloramine at higher flow rates because we're using the upgraded catalytic carbon. Carbon filters also remove pesticides, herbicides, petroleum products, byproducts from chlorine and chloramines. It removes pharmaceutical products that can work their way into your water, stuff like that. So this system doesn't just protect your family and give you really good water throughout the house, including your showers, brush your teeth, the whole 9 yards, but also protects your plumbing. Chloramine is highly corrosive because of this ammonia chlorine base. And ammonia is very corrosive to metals, so it will eat up your copper pipes in your home. So removing the chloramines from your water will help not just protect you and your family, but protect your household plumbing as well. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 866-278-4130, or use the message us and live chat us, or you can use our contact page and go ahead and send us an email. Thank you very much and have a great day.